Imagine turning on your computer one morning and finding all your important files locked. A scary message pops up demanding a ransom to unlock them. That's ransomware, malicious software that hijacks your data and demands money. It usually starts with an innocent-looking email or link. Once you click, you're letting cybercriminals in, and they can prepare their attack. Even if you pay the ransom, there's no guarantee you'll get your data back, and payment can encourage more attacks. To protect your business, start by educating your team how to spot suspicious emails. Regularly back up critical data and store it securely offline. Keep your software updated, use strong security, and monitor your network for unusual activity. My team and I help businesses like yours protect their data. If we can help, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.